KHERTOK begrudgingly sat and set his palms on the table, resisting the urge to look at the cameras, conspiring to capture every gesture and face expression he made, simultaneously being processed through Optolly's proprietary program still in use, despite the current state of strained relations. "You've set the glare of lights, surely meant to keep a man from thinking straight," he said, voice low as his tongue rolled over each syllable. "That intentional, or just tribunal fashion these days?" "Answer the question," the magistrate demanded. "State your place of origin." "Earth," he said. 22nd century. Departed on a Rook 9. Only escape route left after the destruction ensued. Our planet became uninhabitable by our own making. The voices crying to do what was right gradually became muffled by the greed that overrode and corroded everything. Volcanoes erupting, like clockwork, spitting lava like a nasty little tank across the land. Only thing to quench the incessant fires burning was the sea, as it opened its jaws to swallow the cities whole. The sky screamed in colours no one had ever seen before that day, the day we were forced to evacuate. Not many survivors.